Sneaker Gap here, coming to you with my first video. I like Jordans, Adidas, and Pumas. I am 10 years old. My favorite color is purple. And today we're going to do an unboxing. So these are the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low Jeters. And the style code is AV2187. And the color code is 441. So here we have a nice premium sturdy box, and it's not your usual Jordan box. It has some tubes. It has Jordan dunking the ball. It has some other photographs of him, the original sketches from Tinker Hatfield. And let's go into the shoes. So we have some black wrapping paper, your usual white, and the shoe. On the shoe, it has a nice blue sparkly premium shoe tree, and it has the stitching of the two for the Jeter on the back and a baby Jordan. It has respect on the inside. It has leather lacing to represent the leather on a baseball mitt. It has nice color changing suede. You could see it color changing. And it has a white midsole and a milky outsole. On the bottom, you have this white pod and a carbon fiber shank. Let's get up close. Make sure you like, comment down below what your favorite Jordans are, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye! So these are the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low Jeters, and the
style.
It has
it's right here.
Do I tell them what it is? The box has some original sketch. Oh God. Gosh. Midsole, we have a white midsole, and